triangle has the following given parts. Side B is equal to 0.65, side A is equal to 0.75, and angle C is equal to 78.9 degrees. Compute the value of C. This is the question to be answered here on Premier chat box. Good luck! Hello Genius! Our video for today is about one sample problem that was given last civil engineering board exam. It was November 2015. Now, so this is a very simple question, but of course, if you don't understand the process, you cannot solve it. Then, here, our first example, in a triangle ABC, C is equal to 40 meter, angle C is equal to 70 degrees, and an angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Determine the length at the median drawn from the vertex A to the side A. That means, if we will solve this one, of course, first step is to make the sketch of the triangle. Now, if this is the triangle, if this is the triangle and this is a triangle A, we have the B and C. This is a point, vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. Now, we have the given here C, side C is equal to 40 meter, and angle A is equal to 45 degrees, and the angle C is equal to 70 degrees. This is angle C. Now, determine the length of the median drawn from the vertex A to side A. This is the side A, and this is the side B. See, the opposite of angle A is side A, the opposite of angle B is equal to side B, and the opposite of angle C is equal to side C. Now here, of course, the median, that means the half of this one, the median to A, we will call it H, for example. Now, to solve this one, of course, we have to use the we can use the law of sine. Now, using the sine of law, or law of sine, law of sine, which state that aside, for example, side A over the opposite angle, which is sine of 45 degrees, is equal to, we had side C because it's given 40 over the opposite angle, which is equal to sine of 70 degrees. Now, we have only one unknown, so we can solve this one because all this one are given. So, cross multiplying, A therefore is equal to 30 meter. Of course, because we involved here is, of course, we have angle here. That's why we have to use the scientific calculator. Therefore, A is equal to 30 meter. Now, we have already the given A. We already solved A. Now, we are looking for H. Now, H can be solved by using the law of cosine. So, now we have already the length of the side A, which is equal to 30 meter. Now, what we're looking for here is the median drawn from the vertex A to side A. This is the side A. So, this is the one. This is the one we're looking for, the length of this one from this one to this one, which we designated as H. Therefore, we can use this triangle here. This is the one here. we can use this triangle, which is equal to be like this. And we will call this one, this is the H. We call this one as H. And this one, of course, is half of the, because it is the median. So, in between B and C, half of it is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. So, this is 15 meter. And of course, this length, we know it's equal to 40. So, we are looking for the H. Here, we can use the law of cosine. But before we can use the law of cosine, because we're looking for the angle for this one. Why? Because we're looking for the side, the meridian, the length of H. So, we need to know the angle of this one. Now, from here triangle, we have 45 degrees. And we have 70. So, it is 115 degrees. Now, in a triangle, as I've said before, the total interior angles is 180 degrees in any triangle. So, 180 minus 115 is equal to 65 degrees. So, this will be 65 degrees. It is 180 degrees minus 70 minus 45, which is equal to 65 degrees. So, this is angle B. So, now here we can use the law of cosine. The law of cosine, which states that we can have this side H squared is equal to this side, which is equal to 15. This is the 115 squared, plus this side, which is 40, this is the 140, so 40 squared, minus 2 times this side, 15, by this side, which is 40, multiplied by the opposite angle of H, which is equal to 65 degrees. So, cosine of 65 degrees. Therefore, simplifying this one, H therefore is equal to 26.3 meter. So, another math board exam sample, which was given on the same month, November 2015, board exam. Two angles of a triangle are 103.2 and 43.3 degrees. The side opposite the obtuse angle has length of 2.7 meter. Find the other sides. Of course, always, to make this one clear, of course, you have to sketch the triangle. Now, we have this triangle, for example. We have A, B, and C. Now, what is given here is, there is the 43.8, two angles are 43.3 and 102. So, if this is 43.3, of course, this 103 is more than 90. So, obviously, this is the one. Not this one. This is less than 90 degrees. This one is more than 90 degrees. Obviously, this is the 103.2. This is the given one. Now, and we have the length of the side opposite the obtuse angle. What do you mean opposite? What do you mean obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is an angle more than 90 degrees. So, which one angle is more than 90 degrees? Of course, this is angle A, which is 103.2. So, the opposite of that has the length of 2.7. So, 2.7, this is the length of side A. Now, of course, this one, if this is angle A, angle B, sorry, this must be side B. This is angle C, this is side C. Always, if this is the angle C, the opposite is the side C. So here, what we're looking for is the length of side B and length of side C. So before we can do that, we have to find first the angle B. Now, of course, the total of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees minus 103.2 minus 43.3. Therefore, this is equal to 33.5 degrees. So, this is angle B. To solve the side C and side B, just we can use here the law of sine. Law of sine, which states that this one opposite the angle A, opposite the angle sine of 103.2 degrees is equal to B over sine of B, which is equal to 33.5 degrees. Now, we can substitute the values. A is given to be 2.7. 2.7 divided by sine of 103, sine of 103.2 is equal to B over sine of 33.5 degrees. Now, here, we have already only one unknown, the B. So, cross-multiplying this one, B therefore is equal to 1.531 meter. So, we find B now. What is left is the C. Now, how we will find the C? Of course, basing from the given, we can again use the law of sine, which we can have A over this one, A over the sine of this angle, 103.2, is equal to, now because we find already B, so we're looking for C over the sine of 43.3. Now, substituting the value of A, which is 2.7, over sine 103.2 is equal to C over sine of 43.3. Therefore, we have only one unknown here. So, we can compute the value of C by using the scientific calculator, which is equal to 1.902 meter. So, this is the value of C. Before I will end up this video, you will see on the screen the solution to the problem I gave last premiere. And nobody got the correct answer.